Strange noise I've been noticing. No, not that noise. So turn the gain levels up on this. Yeah. So I set that to there. And I'll turn up so you can hear it. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that noise. Yeah. Talk about a storm creating a noise. Yeah. As well as you can see, the noise going on up here. I'm only using RCA phonos connecting in. So here's some of the hiss going out because there's some signal noise on there. But that, what the heck is that? Okay, let's minimize it. Turn that to. I can still hear a little bit of it in the background. No, that's not doing anything there. It's like creating a signal noise. Yeah, I can hear the. Okay, what that's doing there. Anyway, that's for the levels turn up, and that level will be with the sound. If soundtrack plays for it, it'll be bloody loud. So I'll just fade it down back to 0. Signal noise is up here. That's just with RCA's connected on the so it's a little bit noisy. Well, I would say considerable. Then I have to minimize this. Don't notice any of this noise going through digital when it's going through a HDMI. It's only with RCA's connecting on, so it's reduced now.
Pre-stage flux chiller starboard. Main stage flux chillers port. Running lights on. Main stage flux chiller starboard.
Not sure what the other thing would do here. Yeah, I can still hear a bit of signal noise. See it going up. That really is pretty yeah. It's almost louder than the bloody signal noise ratio on the CB radio, really. That's a joke. Go back to 0. But really, That's just on the other scale reading. Go there. I have to figure it out. I have to figure this out. I have to figure that out. Something to do with the signal noise on there. Something to do with the analog. It's okay on digital. It's hardly any noise, almost. But anything or something's got to generate some noise somewhere. Eventually, somewhere, something's got to generate some sort of noise. So if anyone said their stormaudio or their Trinor connected up to something, this and that, yeah, turn up all the gain levels all the way. Somewhere there's got to be some sort of noise coming in. Can't say, oh yeah, it's, you know. But just figuring out how to clean it up on the analog, because it's okay on digital. Just wonder if it's something to do with trimmer. Trimmer is a gain level. If I trim, sorry.
To our worker materials.
It's just going through HDMI.
That way, Doctor. Admiral Kirk's orders are confirmed.
This is to us upon our
So
arrival.
that's HDMI. So it's not going through there.
Well done, Commander. You realize, sir, they will attempt to contact Admiral Kirk.
Turn up the gain level on DCX up to plus 15. Can't hear any noise. Turn up the gain level on that's plus 30 now. Turn up the gain level on the left channel. No, it's quiet. It's quiet, but bloody hell, if the soundtrack played through that now, it'd be, oh, blimey. It'd be very loud. Plus 30 dB there. Okay. So, obviously the trimmer doesn't do much there. It's still stay at the same value. So maybe trim the noise, or the noise needs to be addressed. So I've even connected the Technics straight onto the back. It's just as if the the RCA cable inputs are acting like an antenna and picking up this thing's a receiving station. Really Storm. So this is passive. So TRS XLR. It's just a passive variable, just to adjust. Cleans a little bit of noise up, but it's a bit of a passive. I could use this as a variable to get the other sort of thing sorted, but this is a Clean Pro box, Box Pro, 2-channel level converter. So this is just a converter. So add in the, I think this is the input here. Oh, that's the output, sorry. That's the input. So put the input signals in, and then take the RCA phone, the XLRs out. But where do I connect them? Ah, yeah. Okay, let's figure it the other way. So if I go, these are the inputs, aren't they? These are inputs, yeah. Go the inputs here from the Sony. Go the inputs, and then connect the out, and then take the outputs. At least I'm only going to try one. I'm only going to try one channel. See if it's any difference. And then these just to regulate the output. So stereo output level. This one here unbalanced up here, and then this one balanced. So this one here unbalanced will control the level flow out from here, I guess, because I've hardly used these. I've hardly used them. And the balanced here will control the flow of the signal on the output here, on the XLR balanced. Put ground, positive, negative. Is that positive there? Oh, the bottom one is negative. I forget which one it could be. Yeah, continuity, check in there. Pin 2 is positive, pin 1 is ground, and pin 3 is negative. Whether it generates any other noise, if it's noise clean or whatever, because it'd be on a DC, it's anywhere, could run from 7.5, 12 volt. I'll try that once I've exhausted all the other ideas. Otherwise, pause the signal, boom, everything goes down, turn the fader up. I shouldn't see any noise. I don't see any noise. Go over to analog, and it's just like, boom, a load of noise on the RCA.